Hello, today we're going to be looking at the 3CX Transcription Engine, and we'll follow the online guide to set it up and see it working. So we're going to go through all the steps together. First of all, we've got the system set to the cloud transcription, and we're going to be switching it to the local transcription engine. We need to check first of all that we've got the machine all set up. It's got Debian 12 already installed on it, and nothing else, just a bare installation. First step is to make sure our installation is fully up to date, so we run the relevant commands for that. We're running now live. Some commands later on will be sped up a little bit, so it takes a shorter time for the video itself, but the overall duration for anybody doing this is at the most 30 minutes. If you've got a fast machine, fast internet connection, it should take no more than 15. Next, you need to make sure that the firewall configuration is in place, the two ports that need access to the transcription machine. And we start installing all the software necessary to get the transcription engine going. Few questions, we just click through them. And every time we've got a new kernel installed, well, we need to reboot the machine. Moving on to the Nvidia driver setup. Checking to see if it's already there on our machine. No. So we go ahead and start that installation. Follow all the steps as they are laid out, and shortly it will be ready to start working. So finalizing the driver installations slowly, and the speed that this goes by is really down to your own internet connection and the speed of your machine itself. So, ready for one last reboot. And after the machine is back up again, we can check that now the Nvidia system management interface is up and ready. Now we go back to our PBX, we click our proceed button, and we are going to get a quick command that we need to paste into the server, and that sets it up to talk to our PBX in order to do transcriptions. We're going to use the 3CX provided FQDN. Getting all the necessary SSL certificates in place. And the Ollama LLM that's also doing the summary and sentiment. So our Nvidia GPU is installed. That's it for the installation itself. Basically, we are now ready to go back to our PBX, check that the install is visible there as well. All done. And if our DNS is already unresolved, we can see that the Nvidia SMI is seeing our transcription service. And we go back to our PBX to let it know that we've finished that command and we're ready to go ahead. As you can see, it sees it. This is our transcription engine connected. It's showing green. We can see some basic stats for the machine here as well, and also some stats about its operation when there is transcriptions to be done. So let's make sure that our department of our user we're going to be testing with has voicemail and recordings on. We're also going to check that the user has them as well, because if they're not on, then we won't get any transcriptions. And we will make a call to the post secretary AI agent for this user, using our AI features in full for this test. So let's go ahead and make that call.
Hello, Bot Manager. This is Boss's PA. How may I assist you today?
Hi there. Could I leave a message for the boss, please?
Of course, I can help with that. Please go ahead and let me know what you'd like to include in the message.
I'd like to let you know that we are testing the onboard transcription engine and we will be making a video about it.
Understood. Here's the message I have. We are testing the onboard transcription engine and will be making a video about it. Would you like to add anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you. So call is done. Transcription engine, as we see, started working. Check the status. Not much to see straight away. It's doing its job. The estimated time countdown, you will see it's going down as the transcription progresses. And if we go back to the machine, we will see in a moment that together with the transcription itself happening, Ollama will kick in at one point, which is going to be doing the summary and other elements. There we are. So transcription should be done now. Yep, we are all good. And we can go ahead and have a look at what was transcribed. Thank you all for watching.